Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue. Now click on Advanced Options, then select Troubleshoot, select Advanced Options, and then select Command Prompt. It will open Command Prompt window. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c : and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Now type c : and hit enter. Type cd space c : / and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space Windows and press enter. Type cd space System32 and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and hit enter. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space *** space ... and then hit enter. After that type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Now type cd space c : / and simply hit enter. Now type cd space Windows /System32 /config /regback and hit enter to execute. Now type this command bcd edit space /export space c : /bcd backup and hit enter. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space c : \boot \bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type ren space c : /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.